Hi, Christy Russ here, the Maverick Pharmacist Health Coach. And today I'm going to talk about excessive fatigue causes. This is probably the second most common question I get, after weight loss, of course. And it's such a common issue, and it's one that I struggled with, along with a bunch of other common issues that started when I was pretty young, actually. Just a few years after my second child was born. I was just so exhausted all the time. Of course, I just chalked it up to having two young children, but it just kept getting worse and worse, and I just felt like a terrible mom. And added to that, not only did my pregnancy weight not go away, but every year I gained an extra 2 or 3 pounds. Pretty soon found myself 30 plus pounds overweight. And I had some pretty severe knee pain at that time. My knees were throbbing all day long and I needed painkillers regularly. Fast forward a few years, sleep problems started where I was waking up at 3 or 4 in the morning for no particular reason and then not getting back to sleep until like a half hour before the alarm goes off. Super frustrating, right? And then I started having some of those typical women's hormonal issues. And I will spare you the gory details of my period woes, but I also started getting PMS and mood swings, which I'd never had before. So that was just a ton of fun for the whole family, let me tell you. It's amazing how you hear yourself snapping at everyone, yet you can't actually stop it, and all of this was just a total disconnect to the person that I am. I have always been an active, energetic, positive person, so the reflection in the mirror and what my life had become was just unrecognizable to me. And of course, I was doing all of the right things, and all of the tests from the doctor came back normal, right? So I was shocked and I felt ripped off, to be honest, because these kinds of things are only supposed to happen to people that don't take care of themselves, right? And I think what really freaked me out was that I had seen my situation enough times in the pharmacy to know where this was going. Okay, so thankfully, I'm kind of the geeky scientist type, and I started doing a whole bunch of research to figure out if there was a way to stop my issues. And man, I learned a ton of things that they don't teach you in pharmacy or medical school for that matter. And once I started applying what I learned, it was only a few short months that all of my issues went away. And I mean, totally gone. The weight came off, no painkillers required. I sleep great, no more hormonal issues, and I have lots of energy again. You know, Interestingly, an added bonus is that I rarely get sick anymore, too, which is unheard of in the pharmacy. So that was over a decade ago, and I'm still feeling fabulous, right? So the main problem is that pretty much everything we've been told about how to be healthy is actually wrong. And so after a lifetime of doing the right things, your body can't keep up anymore. And that shows up as fatigue or weight gain or chronic pain or whatever, right? But when you start to do the real right things, your body starts to heal and repair itself. And all of those issues go away. There really is no such thing as the normal signs of aging, right? We are meant to feel great right up until we slide into the grave. So don't let anybody blame your health issues on getting older, because that is a crock. Okay, so I know where you're coming from and the frustration you're feeling, and I want to assure you that there is a simple way back. Okay, check out the video before this called Why Am I Gaining Weight When I'm Eating Healthy? And the one after this called Why Am I So Tired and What to Do for More Energy, to find out what you need to do, some specific tips to increase your energy. If you like this information, please subscribe to my channel for real life helpful tips and the myth busting of common health information. Bye for now.